Astrocytes are essential for maintaining the integrity of the blood-brain barrier, a critical structure that regulates the movement of substances between the bloodstream and the brain. First, astrocytes provide structural support by extending their in-foot processes around the blood vessels in the brain. These in-foot processes cover over 99% of the brain's capillaries, helping to physically stabilize the blood-brain barrier. Next, they play a key role in regulating tight junctions between the cells that form the barrier. Astrocytes secrete factors like vascular endothelial growth factor and glial-derived neurotrophic factor. These substances help keep the endothelial cells tightly sealed, preventing harmful substances from slipping through. Astrocytes are also involved in regulating transport across the barrier. They control the expression of key transporters like GLUT1, which ensures glucose is properly delivered to the brain. They even help remove harmful substances through efflux transporters, like P-glycoprotein. Astrocytes don't just protect the barrier, they provide metabolic support as well. They deliver essential nutrients, including lactate, which helps keep the endothelial cells and neurons functioning. Another important function of astrocytes is regulating blood flow. They sense the brain's energy needs and release chemicals that control blood vessel dilation, ensuring the brain gets enough oxygen and nutrients while maintaining the stability of the blood-brain barrier. In addition, astrocytes help with immune modulation. They secrete cytokines that can either enhance or weaken the BBB, depending on the situation. During inflammation, they can contribute to both protecting the brain or, unfortunately, increasing barrier permeability. Finally, astrocytes are involved in responding to injury. When damage occurs in the brain, they become reactive, forming a protective scar and working to repair the BBB. Through these multiple roles, astrocytes are vital for keeping the blood-brain barrier intact, protecting the brain from harmful substances while allowing essential nutrients to pass through.